Okay, so how can we prove this trigonometric identity? So for you to prove this trigonometric identity, there are many approaches that you can use. So in this case, we are going to use the approach which says we know that sine squared theta is equal to 1 minus cosine squared theta over 2. And we also know that cosine squared theta is equal to 1 plus cosine squared theta over 2. So now we're going to substitute these guys where in the identity that we have here. So where there is sine, we're going to put this guy, and where there is cosine squared, we're going to put this one here. So now our expression will be where there is sine, we put this one, 1 minus cos squared theta over 2 plus, where there is cosine, we put this guy, which is 1 plus cos squared theta over 2. Okay. So now, after that, all we need now is to do what? To show that this guy is equal to 1. So now, we're going to do what? To find the common denominator here, which is 2. So 2 into 2 is 1. 1 times the numerator there, we have 1 minus cos theta squared, like that, plus 1 plus cos squared theta. Okay? So now, after that, we go ahead and group the like terms. So we have this one, 1. Okay? Then 1 plus this one here, then minus cos squared theta plus cos squared theta divided by 2. Okay, so these guys, this one is going to give us 2 minus 0 there over 2. This is equal to 2 over 2, which is going to give us 1. And we know that this one is same as what we have on the right hand side. So we have shown that sine squared theta plus cosine squared is equal to 1. Okay, so now after showing from this is the basic identity in trigonometry. So from this basic identity, we can generate or derive another identity. So let's generate the first one by dividing the whole equation by sine squared theta. So you are going to have divided by sine squared theta over sine squared theta over sine squared theta. Okay, so this guy is going to give us a good 1. Then cosine squared theta over sine, this one is equal to cot, because we know that cot and cotangent are reciprocal functions. So this one is equal to cot squared theta, which is equal to 1 divided by sine. This is the cosecant squared theta. Okay, cosecant squared theta. Okay, so we have derived this equation. Okay, I mean this identity. So how can we show that this part is equal to this one? So now, for us to show that this part, this one is equal to this one, we're going to start solving. So the first thing that we are going to do is we choose the side that we want to work on. So in this case, we are going to choose the LHS, the left hand side. So let's work on the left hand side. So the left hand side we have 1 plus cotangent squared theta. Okay, so now this is what we have on our left hand side. So now we are going to solve. We show that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So now what are we going to do here? So we're going to say 1 plus what is cot. So this one we know that cotangent is equal to cos squared theta over sine squared theta. Okay, so now this one, after you reach this stage, you look for a common denominator, which is sine squared theta. Sine squared theta. So 1 into this one is this guy, then this guy times the numerator there is sine squared theta. Plus this guy into this one is 1. 1 times the cos squared theta is cos squared theta. Now, remember that this identity is equal to 1. Okay, so we're going to equate this part on top here to 1. So we're going to say 1 as our numerator divided by sine squared theta. Therefore, this guy is equal to cosecant, because this guy is squared, so we're going to say cosecant squared theta. This is what we have on the right hand side. Okay, so this is what we have on the right hand side. So now we have shown that this guy is equal to this one. Okay, let's check out another example. Okay, so from the same basic one, we can still drive another one. Let's divide everything by cos squared. So divided by cos squared theta. Divided by cos squared theta divided by cos squared theta. Okay, this is our problem. Excuse me. So now, this guy and this one, it is going to give us a tangent. Tan. This marker. It's going to give us tan squared theta plus this guy is 1 is equal to this one is going to give us what? What is 1 divided by cos? So this is actually equal to secant squared theta, like that. All right. Now, this is the identity that we've derived when we divide the basic trigonometric identity by what? By cos. So now, how can we prove that this guy is equal to this one? Simple and straightforward. So you're just going to say, okay, so for us to prove this equation, we're going to say, what is tan? So tan is equal to sine squared theta over cos squared theta plus 1. Okay, so this is the side that we want to work on. Actually, we're working on the LHS. All right, this is the side that we've chosen to work on. Okay, so now, what is this guy going to give us? So let's find the common denominator here, which is cos squared theta. All right, so cos squared theta into cos squared theta is equal to 1. 1 times the numerator here, which is sine squared theta, plus 1 into cos squared theta is cos squared theta, So cos squared theta times this one here, we're going to get cos squared theta. All right, so now this is going to give us, remember this guy on top here is equal to, this guy is equal to 1. So this whole thing here to be replaced by 1 over down here, our denominator, which is cos squared theta. All right. So now what are we going to have? So this guy is actually equal to this guy which we have on our right side here. So we're going to have sec squared theta, which is on the right hand side. Thank you for watching this video. Yeah, if you want lessons, you can WhatsApp this number plus 26077161645 4. Okay, you can text me on WhatsApp. I'll be able to attend to you. This is my name, Mr. Siaman. Yeah, I'll be able to help you in many ways. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share so that other friends can also benefit from this video. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.